Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So tomorrow is the expiry day and you can clearly see here that Bank Nifty also prepares for showing any kind of expiry movement because from the last 3 days it continuously trades in a range which is 39,600 to 39,300. So if tomorrow market opens flat or if it once again try to trade above 39,600 or 650 and shows continuous positive movement, then you can take trade for buying because you can clearly see here that it continuously tries to took support from the 39,600 level. That means there were some buyers who wanted to took Bank Nifty upwards. So if it trades above that 39,650, then you can consider it for buying, and target will be around 39,850 to 39,900. So now let's look into 15-minute candle for identifying any kind of buying or selling trade. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that in the last 3 days, market continuously trades in a range, as I said. So if tomorrow market opens flat and try to close above 39,600 or 700, then you can take trade for buying, as I said. And you can clearly notice here that today market opens gap up and it continuously hit resistance from that 39,500 level, which yesterday also acted as a major resistance level. Today once again it tried to go around that zone and due to once again took immediately resistance from that. But at the last 1 hour it continues shows positive movement and make it positive candle here. So if tomorrow, as I said, market opens flat and trades above that zone which is 39,600 to 650, then you can take trade for buying, and target, as I said, 39,850 to 900, and next target you can set to 39 round level 40,000. Let's assume that if it opens gap down or trades below 39,400, which is today's support level or kind of major support level. So if it breaks that by opening gap down and shows any kind of negative movement, our first target will be 39,300, and if it breaks that, then after that it may show some rapid selling pressure here, and target you can set to round level 39,000 to 38,900 level, because previously we have seen continuous support from the 39,300 level, and right now it may not be act as that much strong support level here. So if it breaks that, as I said, then you can expect some selling pressure here. Now let's look into Nifty in 1-day candle chart. In Nifty, you can clearly see here that it looks more negative than Bank Nifty because yesterday it also made a doji candle here, and today it opens a gap up above 17,000, but it could not sustain there. From the last 3 days, it tried to continuously closes above that 17,000, but seller did not wanted that, so they closes below 17,000 from the last 3 days. Let's assume that if tomorrow market opens flat or if it trades below that lower level, which is 16,920 to 910 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here because from the last 3 days it continuously made low around that level. So if it breaks that, then you can say some selling pressure here, and target will be around 16,835 to round level 16,800. And let's assume that if it opens gap up or if it try to trade say above 17,000 level, then it may be go sideways because you can clearly see here that from the last 3-4 days it continuously hit resistance from that higher side and it continuously took support from that lower side. So if it opens a gap up, then it may be go sideways for the entire expiry day. Now let's look into 15-minute candle for identifying any kind of buying or selling trade. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that yesterday it continuously shows positive movement here by making higher highs, and today it continuously shows negative movement by making lower highs. We can clearly see here that today's higher did not breaks and it continuously make new low highs. That is kind of negative scenario here. So if it opens flat or if it trades below, as I said, 16,920 or 910, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 16,835 to round level 16,800. But let's assume that if it opens a gap up or if it trades above that trend line, which is 16,980 to 17,000 level, because we have seen support level from that 17,000. Today it acts as a major resistance level. So if it breaks that by opening gap up, then it may be show some continuous positive movement here, and target you can set to 17,080 to round level 17,100. And it may be happen that if it opens a gap down, so if it opens a gap down around 16,900 level or 880 level and shows continuous movement, then you can take trade for selling, and the target will be same, that is 16,800. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, previously also I told you that you need to look into Bank Nifty components during market hours. If you capture these Bank Nifty components movement, then you can easily make profit in Bank Nifty options. So in our first component will be HDFC Bank, and you can clearly see that today HDFC Bank tried to close above that 1580 level and it sustains there also. So if tomorrow once again market try to close above or halted there or trades above 1585 and shows positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be 1600. But if it opens gap up and shows any kind of negative negative movement, then you can take trade for selling. ICICI Bank now trades in between that range, so it needs to close above that or 800, trades above 860 for taking any kind of buying trade. But let's assume that if it opens flat or if it opens gap up around 860 and continues shows negative movement, then you can take trade for selling. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank, you can clearly see here that it trades below that 510 level. So if it opens gap down or if it trades below 505 or 503, then you can expect some selling pressure here. And target will be around round level 500 to round level 495. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, you can clearly see here that it continuously try to close above that higher side, but it could not sustain that. Today market opens gap up and it continuously shows negative movement here until 1685. Right now it trades around 1700 level zone. So if tomorrow market trades below that round level 1700 and shows negative movement, then you can take trade for buying. But if it opens a gap up or trades above 1700 level, then it may be trades above until 1710 to 1750 level. Now let's look into Axis Bank, and in Axis Bank you can clearly see that it continuously made negative movement here, but that candle does not make any kind of strong negative movement till date. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market once again to try to closes below 830 or 825, then it may be show some large negative movement here. But if it opens a gap up or if it trades above 840, then it may be go sideways for the another 1 or 2 days. Now let's look into IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, you can clearly see that other banks are shows kind of negative to sideways movement, but in IndusInd Bank it opens gap up and it continuously shows a positive movement here, and it made a W pattern in one day candle set, which kind of positive for me. But it needs to closes above 1040, because that 1040 previously acted as a major resistance level, or it also continuously took resistance from that zone previously almost 2 times. So it needs to closes above that, or if it trades above 1040 and makes strong candles, then you can take trade for buying, and target we can set to 1055 to round level 1060. So that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment box.